HSK 2020, HSK0, HSK 0级. Hi, I am Lao Xu. Today we are going to learn words related to location. 你去哪儿? Where are you going? From this lesson, you can learn words in different levels, from 1-15 words, 2, 8, 3, and 3, in HSK4, 1, and finally there are 5 new words which are very, very common, and you should know that because it often appears in the test. New words.
去
哪
哪儿, so 哪儿,
公司
company.
工作
Work, job, can be a noun and a verb.
医院上班
上班 meaning to go to work.
了
Le is a particle word in Chinese.
怎么办
怎么 meaning how, 办 meaning do, manage. So 怎么办 meaning what's to be done, what should we do?
东
East.
超市
超市 超 meaning super, 市 here meaning 市场 market. 超市 meaning supermarket. It is a word we borrowed from English.
买
Buy.
公园
公 meaning public, 园 meaning park. So 公园 meaning public park basically.
走
Walk.
好玩
Fun. 好 meaning good, 玩 meaning to play. So 好玩 meaning good play. What does that mean? Meaning it is very fun, interesting.
商店
商店 商 meaning commercial, 店 meaning store. So 商店 basically meaning a shop, a store.
饭店
So 饭店 like the word 商店 店 is a store, 饭 meaning rice. So basically 饭店 meaning rice store. Of course, it doesn't only serve rice. It serves a bunch of stuff in addition to rice.
饭店
Because it is a hotel. So it can be small as an eatery, small restaurant, or it can be a 5-star big hotel restaurant.
钱
Qian, left particle is, we call that iron, 金字旁 iron, because in the old Chinese history, Qian is made of iron, basically made of the copper, until 100 years ago. Qian,
钱
it is a very common last name in China, or surname.
火车站
火车 meaning train, 站 meaning a stop station, so 火车站 meaning train station.
到
Dao here can be a verb meaning to arrive, to reach. It can also mean a preposition.
哪里
Nali, the same as 哪儿,
上海
is a metropolitan city, east South China.
本
Ben, it can be a major word. In English, we often use it as a translation for then.
机场
机场 场 meaning field, 机 here meaning 飞机, 机场 airport.
北京
Beijing, the capital of China. Let's learn text.
爸爸，你去哪儿？
Dad, where are you going? 去哪儿?
去
哪
我去公司工作。
I go to office, corporation. What?
工作
工作.
公司
妈妈，你去哪儿？
Mom, where are you going?
我去医院上班。
I go to hospital to work. 医院
医院，
上班
上班.
你们都走了，我怎么办？
都 meaning all. 走了, 走 meaning go, leave.
了
了 here indicating the action has finished, has completed. So 你们都走了 after you have gone. 我
怎么办
What should I do?
东东，你去学校上课。
东东 you should go to school. to have classes. Dong is we call that nickname in Chinese. Dong Dong. So Dong might be one of the character in the first name, and we often use a repeated word to call a child,
东
meaning east. 上课 have class.
奶奶，你去哪儿？
Grandma, where are you going?
我去超市买水果。
I go to the supermarket to buy fruit. 水果。
买
超市，
超市 supermarket.
我不去，我不喜欢吃水果。
I do not go. I don't like to eat fruits.
爷爷，你去哪儿？
Grandpa, where are you going?
我去公园走一走。
I go to the park for a walk.
公园，
走
走 so technically it means 我去公园 walk. Why you have 走一走? That's the grammar point. Verb in Chinese can repeat itself.
我不去，公园不好玩。
I do not go. The park
公
is
园
not. The park is not
好玩。
fun.
姐姐，你去哪儿？
Older sister, where are you going?
我去商店买衣服。
I go to
商店，
shop to buy
买
衣服 dresses.
我不去，我最不喜欢买衣服。
I do not go. I don't like buying clothes the most. So buying clothes is the least thing I like. So this speaker must be a boy, right?
哥哥，你去哪儿？
Old brother, where are you going?
我去饭店吃饺子。
I go to a restaurant,
饭店，
must be a small one, to eat dumpling. Oh, doesn't have the sound here. 饺子 dumpling.
我也去，我最喜欢吃饺子。
我也去 I will go to. 我最喜欢吃饺子最 I like dumpling the most. Or dumpling is my favorite.
小钱，你去哪儿？
Mr. Qian, where are you going? 小钱
我去火车站。
I go to train station.
你去火车站到哪里？
So after you arrive in a train station, where are you going?
到
哪里？
到哪里？
去上海。
去上海 So this dropped a lot of stuff here. So just omit things.
本，你去哪儿？
Ben, where are you going?
我去机场。
I go to the airport.
你去机场到哪里？
So after you go to the airport, where are you going?
去中国北京。
去 China,
北京，
北京 So in English, we would say to Beijing, China. But in Chinese, we would say big thing first. 我去中国北京。
去中国北京。
Okay, let's see the grammar points. 哪儿哪里 same thing, meaning where. It is used to raise a question about the location. 哪儿有饺子 Where is dumpling? Where can you find dumpling? 饭店里有 The restaurants have dumplings, or there are dumplings in restaurants. Verb plus verb phrase. So a verb connected by another verb phrase is like verb to do something or verb doing something. But in Chinese, we call that different. We call that verbal construction in series. The second verb serves as the purpose of the first verb in this situation. Remember, they cannot swap. Just like in English, you cannot swap verb with to do something. For example, 去医院上班 to go to hospital to work. You cannot say 去上班医院上班 is the result of 去医院 a purpose. 去学校上课 go to school to have class. 去机场到哪里 where to go after arriving at airport. Another thing you have to remember is in Chinese, there's nothing in between. So in English, you have to do something or doing something. You have a form but Chinese don't have this kind of function word in between. So that's something you have to remember. 了 indicates action has finished. That is one function word, 了. We don't have so many function words in Chinese. These were introduced in modern Chinese. 他们都走了. They all have gone. So particle 了 indicates action has finished. 他吃饭了. He has finished food. He has had food. 老师走了. The teacher has gone. Next, 我怎么办? What should I do? So add a verb. 怎么 means how, what, why. And 办 meaning to do something, to manage, to deal with. 怎么办 is a fixed phrase or set phrase. Means what to be done. So how to eat this fruit? 怎么? Verb repetition. 去公园走一走. So in Chinese, verb can repeat, especially for single syllable verb. For example, 走. So when you repeat, you have two patterns. One is AA, meaning 走走. Another one is add one in between, 走一走. Why do we use that? Because in Chinese, we use that to represent some action has been done in a short time or limited times. Examples. 爷爷去公园走一走. My grandpa goes to the park for a walk. So it should be a very small walk. So it doesn't take too long. 我去学校看看. I will go to school to take a look. Looking process should not take long. The last one, negation of verb. So for current and future tense, when you do the negation, use 不. 不. For example, 你去饭店吃饭吗? Do you want to go to a restaurant to eat? 我不去. I don't go. But for the action which is in the past, you should use 没有. 你吃饭了吗? 了 indicating it is an action has finished. 你吃饭了吗? Have you finished your food? Have you had food? 我没有吃. 我没吃. Both are okay. No, I haven't. So that was the class HSK0 about location. Thank you.